Oh, shit. Let's sit that right there for now. Oh. So, you've spilled your coffee. What a tragedy. That's coffee abuse, people. On this edition of Papa G's World, I'm going to show you how to clean that mess up in a few easy steps. So get ready and come on, let's go. Okay, here's our stain. It's all in the bottom of this seat, a little bit up on the back. But here's what we have. I have an all-purpose cleaner that you can buy at any store. I've just put it in its own spray bottle. I'm gonna douse it down with this real good. This stain's been on here for several days. Haven't been able to get to it to clean it, so it's gonna be extra hard. We're gonna have to soak it pretty good. I do have a wet dry vacuum cleaner here with me to remove it. All right, here's my brush. It's just a stiff bristle brush. We're gonna give it a little scrub, a little light agitation. Go in different directions. All right, once we've done that, I'm gonna let it set a minute, and then I'm gonna clean it up and blot it a little bit. Take a terry cloth, do a little blotting to get some of the moisture up. If you don't want to use a scrub brush, you can buy a little kit with these brushes, different sizes. It really helps. And now I'm going to hit it with the vacuum. Now we just have to wait on it to dry. Hey y'all, this Papa G here, the real one, not that guy right there. Don't pay him any attention. He's here for comedy. I just need you to do me a solid and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and click the bell for notifications for every time I drop a new video, and you'll be a part of the Papa G family. I got 5 years before I retire from a real job, and I'd like to have a little side job, a little hobby, a little hustle. So help me out. Help an old man make his dreams come true.
2 hours later, 3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
All right, so what I've done, after it dried, I could still see some faint marks. So I hit it all the second time. This time I covered the whole seat with the spray and then just hit the whole entire seat with the drill and the brush. That way I get a uniformed result. Hopefully all the stains will be gone at this point. We just have to wait and see what happens. Cut you back on when we got it dried out. So the seat came out great, looks good. So in recap, you vacuum the debris out, spray it with some all-purpose cleaner. You don't need carpet cleaner, you don't need fabric cleaner. Just get you some good all-purpose cleaner, spray it on, agitate it lightly with a brush by hand, or a brush that goes on your drill. You can use that, and you might have to do it a few times. I had to recoat 3 times to get this coffee stain out because it had been sitting there for 3 days and I was unable to get to it. So there you have it, coffee all gone.